guys. So a while back I posted a post about coffee infused oil and all the benefits it has for your skin. Just to tell you a couple of things about what it will do for your skin. It will improve the skin's texture by tightening and reducing the appearance of cellulite, and it also helps to prevent wrinkles. So you can use it all over your body, not just your face. It increases the blood flow. Caffeine that is a part of coffee increases the blood flow to the skin. This decreases the appearance of cellulite, varicose veins, and stretch marks. It also melts the fat cells from the body. If only that were true. And even though it may help in that, don't think you're going to be able to put it on and it's going to melt all your fat cells. It acts as an antioxidant, and it's said to fight free radicals in the body that causes oxidation, which we all know is bad for most everything organic. You can rely on coffee oil to ward off wrinkles and fine lines. Coffee promotes hair growth. The caffeine stimulates the follicle's ability to produce hair. So it'd be a great moisturizing ingredient for your existing hair, as well as if you have some thinning hair, help to stimulate those follicles to grow some more. It reduces puffy eyes and dark circles. When you apply it topically to the skin, it constricts the blood vessels under the skin, thusly helping to reduce the puffy eyes. And it also helps to treat those dark circles. So a lot of benefits to coffee oil, and it's super, super easy to make. And of all of the different infused oils and tinctures you can make, the grandkids are here, can you tell? This is probably the easiest and probably something you have in your kitchen right now. So let's get to it. Okay, what we're going to do is the hot infused method. It does it a little faster, but you don't have to do it that way. You can do it cold infused. Now, the cold infused method is 1 cup of oil to, I believe, a half a cup or so of coffee. Put it in a jar, put a lid on it, let it sit for about 3 weeks, shake it up, and then strain the coffee out. However, what we're going to do here is the hot infused method. We're going to use our little crock pot. We're going to put it on low, okay? And we're going to do 8 tablespoons of olive oil. This is the light olive oil. Nothing special about it. Doesn't need to be special. No. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 tablespoons of the oil. Wipe this off. And 4 tablespoons of coffee. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to give it a little stir. And we're going to lid it, and we're going to let it cook for, I believe it said 5 hours on low. And then we'll let it cool off, and then I'll come back to you then. Okay, it's actually been about 3 hours. It said 30 minutes to a few hours. it was really looking pretty done to me. So I went ahead and pulled it, and we're going to strain it through what I hope will strain the majority of the coffee out. It says to use a coffee filter. I'm not sure how oil is going to move through that, but I may try that. But let's see how good my good old strainer will do. Wow, look how dark the oil is. And if you can't see it, oh yeah, you can. Wow. I'm kind of hoping the strainer will hold it all. I did get my spatula here. All right, look at that. That's really dark. I'm really kind of surprised. I've never done the hot infusions before, but I've read a lot about them. It certainly is faster, and maybe something I consider doing this spring when I'm doing my oils and things. All right. And that is looking pretty squeezed out. And give her a squeeze and see if we can get any more out. Oh yeah. I think that's pretty squeezed out. Yeah, every time I say that it starts up again. Alright, we're going to call that good. Now, the smallest strainer I have, and I'm hoping it'll fit. Okay, I got my oil bottle here. Uncork it. And yeah, fits real good. And, you know, I would say there's a little bit of coffee in there. And if you were really worried about it being perfectly clear, you could go ahead and try straining it through a coffee filter, but I'm not going to worry about that. This is good to me. All right. Looks like I've got a little more. I'll find a little container for that. And we have coffee infused oil. I'll let you know after I use it for about a week. Nana Prep out.